Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create Pinterest vision board and it's quite simple and easy. First of all, you will need to have a Canva account, of course, and to create these beautiful wallpaper laptop or phone wallpapers, you're gonna go to Pinterest and you're gonna write down something you want to do a vision board on. So today I'm gonna show you how to do like a New York aesthetics travel vision board. So I just wrote down on Pinterest New York, and all you have to do is go here on the image you want to have to download. You just click on these three dots and you're gonna click download image, or you can also save click on save right here and save the image on your board on Pinterest, and after that you're just gonna download every single image from there. So as I already downloaded the images, I'm gonna go straight to Canva, and on Canva you're gonna have to right here on search wallpaper, and there's a few options, so desktop wallpaper or phone. Today I'm going to show you how to do a desktop. So you can choose from some type of, for example, this one, this template, but today we're going to do everything from scratch. So we're just going to click create blank desktop wallpaper. Now, when you have all of your images, you're gonna go and upload it to the uploads of the Canva, and then you're just gonna start using these images and start doing your vision board. So, for example, we can do something like that. And you just start using them and just randomly putting them here. You can make some of the images a little bit bigger. For example, use some stickers. You can also go to element here and, for example, write down New York City, go to graphics, and you can find here some type of stickers and art which you can actually use. And now I'm gonna find something else more. So you just randomly put the images wherever you want, and you get this kind of vision board, which you can actually download after. And let's make maybe this one a white one so we would see it better. And as I said, you can go to Canva if you don't have a pro version. There's actually not a lot of stickers, not a lot of graphics you can use, but you can find some free ones too. Also, maybe you already have Creative Fabrica, so you can use Creative Fabrica. Let's go there. And you can find here much more clip arts of New York City, for example, as you can see. And you just basically go to the designs you want to download, you download them. As you can see, they are commercial and full POD usage allowed. So that's really great. I will leave the Canva link, the Creative Fabrica link in the description below for you. If you don't already have it, you can check it out. And basically, that's how you create the Pinterest vision board. It's pretty simple, actually. You just put the images randomly. You can, of course, make them smaller to fit more images. But after that, you're just gonna click on share, download, and you're gonna download it as PNG, or you can also do a PDF or PDF print, and you click on download, and that's it, guys. If this video was helpful, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.